शरमणीय दर्शनम मंदहास रुचिराननाभुजम पूज्यतम सुरनरोत्तमेर्मुदा धर्मनंदनमहं विचिन्तये. Presence here now my Super Lord Sri Swaminarayan, my parents, my spiritual parents, મોટા બેન, બહેનો અને શ્રી ભક્તો and my dear friends, Devocate the બધાને મારા ભાવથી જય સ્વામિનારાયણ. Devocate the Alif Bhai of village Tangur. Devocate Lord Sri Swaminarayan. He was from Muslim family. He get married. He come from Maharashtra to get Maharaj blessings. As he approached to Maharaj, Maharaj seen in another direction, as if Maharaj did not notice Alif Bhai had came. Santosh near the Maharaj told Maharaj Alif Bhai presence and that come from your seeing Maharaj blessings. But Maharaj still did not look forward Alif Bhai. Santosh reminded Maharaj. On the third attempt, Maharaj gave blessings to Alif Bhai, but not so much happiness. Said Alif Bhai, go get married. Everyone does so, but no one remembered Bhagwan after getting married. This one remember after getting married with Alif Bhai. He decided not to forget Bhagwan after escape household responsibility. Alif Bhai suffered lot of insult and harassment from his own community. To give up the satsang, his devocation and dedication for Sriji Maharaj, he did bhajan, kirtan and devocation for Lord Sri Hari. When his son grew up and able to take care himself, Alif Bhai tell him, I nurture and groom you to be young man and to be young man. Now I spend the rest of my life remember the Sriji Maharaj. When Alif Bhai leave the earth, he said everyone in advance, Jai Swaminarayan. Sriji Maharaj and Santo come to receive him. પ્રસંગમાં આપણે આ શીખી છીએ કે અલીફ ભાઈ કેમ લગ્ન પછી પણ ભગવાનનો સત્સંગ કરતા અને અંતકાળે ભગવાન સંતો ભેગી અને લેવા આવ્યા. મહારાજ વચનામૃત 58 માં કહે છે, દાસનું દાસ લઈને રહી તો ભગવાન રાજી થાય છે. જય સ્વામિનારાયણ.
આશા કરતી હૈ, પરંતુ જે બાદ પાસે બધા છે ઠાકોરજીની પુષ્પમણી કરશે.